night vlog እየመሸ ነው ቀኑ so we gonna first thing first always yes sir hopefully ይሰማል but first thing first always I'm going to the gym and then ከጂም በኋላ ማድረጋቸው ነገሮች አሉ I'm gonna put my target in I gotta get some gas እንደምታይ ከሆነ I don't got enough gas so I'm gonna get some gas ምናምን and then I'm gonna show you some vibe you know what I mean that's what we're gonna do today hopefully ይሰማል ከዚህ ፊት like GoPro ስጠቀም like ብዙ ጊዜ አይሰማም hopefully this time it works and let me know quality ምናምን ከተመቻችሁ ካልተመቻችሁ cuz if not I'm not going to use it cuz ከዚህ ፊት like የሆነ ጊዜ complaint የቀረበ ነበር ታለ በሰብስክራይበሮች የተሰማል ምናምን ያሉ like ሞጣ በሌለብኝ ሰዓት ነው like this time is like you know rush hour ነው ምናምን it's like 5 now like it's around like 6 ምናምን so it's hella crowded like in the middle like you know it's like we're not even moving like it's like አቋራጭ መውሰድ ነው alright guys I'm done with my workout የሰራው ላል መሰለኝ ማለት ነው it's like I don't know 30 ደቂቃ ምናምን but whatever now we're gonna go get some gas yo guys okay we got the GoPro set up hopefully ይታያል ዛሬ bro hopefully because most of the time looking at GoPro man like I'll be making like videos but most of the time እንትን ስለሚሆን like ቁመቴ ይሁን like yeah of course ቁመቴ ነው but like I think like ቁመቴ ምናምን so like ብዙ ጊዜ የሚታይ የላይኛው ፓርት ነው ማለት ነው instead of like the POV like የፊት ለፊቱ መሪ ማለት ነው yo guys hopefully ይታያል okay by the way ፊት ለፊት ያለው መኪና ኢትዮጵያ ማአት ነው ያለው I remember this car it's like Toyota CHRV ምናምን ነው መሰለኝ I'm not gonna lie I'm gonna show you like አንዴ ኮረርኩ በኋላ ማለት ነው guys አሳያችኋለሁ like የኤግዞስቱን ሳውንድ ማለት ነው ከውጪ ያምጋሻ ጋዝ እዚህ ነው የምገዛው but like you know ለሚታያችሁ ከሆነ like እዚህ ጋር ያለው ጋዝ ስቴሽን so but we're gonna drive the car like ለተወሰነ ደቂቃ እና እንረግጠዋለን ማለት ነው ፊት ለፊቴ መኪና አለ ግን like you know ይሄ የሚያናድ like but you know መናድ የለብኝም bro this is public road so let's go መኪናው መንዳት እንዳለበት ነው እየሄዳለሁ ታውን እዚህ ቦታ ጋር ጠመዝማዛ ምናምን አለ but like you know as I told you ከዚህ በፊት with this car ጠመዝማዛ መንገድ bro it's like I would take any road man like ጠመዝማዛ road ለዛ like you know I'm gonna go to the mountain የሆነ ቀን ልክ እንደ ትሪፕ ነገር ምናምን like you know like not anytime soon but like maybe after like you know 3 months ምናምን I don't know but bro super fun guys like አንዱ መኪና ፊት ለፊቴ ስላለ like ባዶ ነገር ፈልጋለሁ I'm gonna do some U-turn or something like that መኪናው like modify ማድረግ ምናምን አልጀመርኩም ማለት ነው guys just like like አሁን ያለው ዌዘር ማለት ነው like ምንም ለማድረግ አይመችም ማለት ነው ምንም አይ like by the way no turbo in this car guys no any type of turbo in this car I'm going to talk about that perfect so let's see ስንት ነው ፈጅታ ያላችሁ ማለት ነው እንደውም like ለብራውን ላሳያችሁ ማለት so like now it's on the E like almost out like not almost like to be honest begin Allah like slow oh okay I got my wallet but I got my card so እንከፍታታለን hopefully ይሰራል and then I don't know we see so like what going to do like you know I'm getting this bro They don't got the. Okay, I'm getting this one, the unleaded one, premium octane. I don't know, something don't know. You check it out. I don't know what. Guys, see, it's working. It's going. But hopefully, hopefully everything is tired, man, guys. Like I don't know. Hopefully tired. I don't know. Like yeah, guys. Look, we can see like how the car is so dirty. Look, I don't know me tired to corner, bro. It's I don't know. This thing is bumper, like new bumper as well again. We're gonna get a new bumper soon, hopefully. Not soon, but anytime soon, but we'll see. I want to wash it today again, like I don't know if I got time to. Bro, too low. I'm good, bro. Guys, this bumper I gotta adjust the height of like like but I'm zick on it, but I'm like $28. Okay. By the way, man, let me get more like Kazari on Karakocho Makina. This one is like Gazai Balaman. Let me get more. Cause if they know on Karakocho Makina, they're not like a sport car, like you know. Under which like maybe luxury 9 by the way. Some like it drove more, but this one is the one, guys. I just need this. Got him and started getting cool. Yep, bro, this car looks dirty, bro. Bismillah. Koshasha, no. Nothing crazy, we're just gonna put this. You rock with it?
Nice.
Hey. We got this, bro, right? Like, Targam Namde Taynam Talit, bro. I ain't scared no, bro. I ain't scared no boy, bro. But, yeah. We're just gonna put this and then video Bazi Alkal. And I'm just gonna do like some rave. Like, you know, I'm gonna do some like, you know, show off like like just like but yeah, but whatever. And we're just gonna put this like rave hopefully like but if this is like, you know, like your first time here, subscribe, like, you know, like you know, argi imachachu manali masalash like you know like I'm just like discovering right now, and I like you did like a muscle like but like it looks like I can go in. I came here for nothing, bro. Look, the toolbox is here. But I just came here for nothing, bro. Guys, like someone man, like snowman slamber man, like check out manam laza.
No, you can't change.
What?
You can't change your name.
What do you mean?
You can't change the name on your
Like what? Huh?
YouTube.
My YouTube? It's SK Valid.
Yeah,
My YouTube name is SK Valid.
you can't change it.
I can't change. I mean, that's my signature, right, guys? I think that's my signature, right? K Valid, right? Boom.
That's tough.
I can't change it, right? Like, should I choose like another, like, you know, ከመውጣታችን በፊት like, you know, ልቀይር እንዴ ስም? Tell me, let me know, guys. Guys, y'all rocking with it? Let's see. See that real bad, man. And I'm not gonna go crazy, guys. Like, don't expect like, you know, looking the Fast and Furious, man. Like, you know, don't expect that, bro. I'm just doing some light stuff.